Sisters doing each other's hair. Crimping. We applied the heat protector.
And you just want to brush it to get it inside the hair. And as you see, the side of my head is already a little bit crimped. So it's already heat up. You don't want to have it near the person's skull or scalp, whatever you want to call it. And you just want to get the hair. If you have to, you can put it down and brush the child's hair. Yeah, I called you child. Okay. Child, don't move. You can move it up if you have to. Only for a few seconds. See, that's all it takes. Nice and cute. It doesn't take much to be able to crimp. And I'm going to be doing the child's whole head. If you want, you don't have to do its head, the person's whole head. You could do it the front, or you can do it like any kind of design you want. But I want to do her whole head today. So I'm going to change. Okay. I like pressing down on it. If you want, you can press down on it. And if you have to, like, if it doesn't look like this, you can redo it. You don't have to unless yours look like this. And her hair is easy to do because it was already brushed. And you want to be careful of the ear. You don't want to burn the person's ear that you're doing. You'll make sure you have one piece, not all these stuff hanging. And I didn't get this piece here, so I just want to redo that one. See, it's easy to do and very fun to do, to be going out. It's a good do for hair, and it's really easy for school. It only takes a few minutes, probably 10 or 5 minutes. It depends how long you take and how you want it to look. The longer you take is probably the better it's gonna look. And you could see that I haven't done it here because I don't want to burn her head. But if you want, you can go a little bit more up. And you can see that this model's scared. You can. Just saying, you don't want to burn her head, because then she'll jump out of her seat and her hair will probably come out with the crimper. And let's see how she looks when she goes to school with a bald piece of head. So you want to lift it because you could see that some of the hair down here is not really done. So, and right here is not done. So if you want, you put that to the side. Just do her hair under here. You know, it takes a few seconds to do a part of a hair. So that's why it's really easy, and the model's gonna have super fun when she goes to school. Everybody's gonna be like, what are you doing with your hair? How did you do that? Like, I go to school every day. Everybody touches my hair and is like, how do you do that? Like, what, how? Like, did you braid it? And I'm like, nope, I crimped it. And it's actually a good look for picture day. Or just going out down to town. Anything, really. We're almost finished. And if you have to, you can go back and check your hair if it's all crimped. I think she looks very cute because it's easy, nice, and it doesn't take long. Okay, we're almost finished. And it's easy. So that's all it. And if you want, you can just comb her hair through to get like the big poof that every girl likes, I guess. Well, I like. And that's mostly it. You can pull her hair back also. And that's it. Good hair again.